Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust volume on Android mobile phone without the volume button, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. There will be two methods that you can try to adjust the volume without the volume button. The first one, you can use your quick setting panel. Just go to your quick setting panel and then you will see volume right here. You can customize your volume with this feature, and you can tap and hold on this sound icon and it will bring you to the sounds and vibration setting on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And here you can choose the volume. You can customize the ringtone volume, media volume, notification system, AI assistant, and also alarm. Okay, you can, oops, sorry guys. Oh my god. Okay, you can customize all the volumes right here, guys. And you can also use the assistant menu to customize or to adjust your volume without the volume button. So this is how the assistant menu looks like. You can control your volume right here. You can choose the media and also ringtone. Okay, just like this. If you want to increase the volume, just slide to the right. Meanwhile, to decrease the volume, just slide left. You can also click on this plus icon and this minus icon. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how you can activate this assistant menu. You can go to your settings and you're going to go to the accessibility setting. Where is it? Okay, it's right here. And then go to interaction and dexterity and you will find the assistant menu. Activate the assistant menu and you can customize the assistant menu items. You can select assistant menu items and make sure that you add the volume to the assistant menu so you can control your volume using the assistant menu. Okay, I'm going to go back and you can access the volume right here. Okay, just click on the volume and it will be so helpful if you have problem with your volume button. Okay guys, and that's all the way to adjust the volume without the volume button on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!